Hey, thanks for tuning in. My name's James Peter, better known as the Internet Wealth Professor. And in this video, you're going to discover how you can make money online for free with your own totally automated online business. And I'm going to tell you more about that in a minute. But first, let me tell you a little about why you should even listen to me. As I said, my name's James Peter, and I've been a marketer for the past 30 years, and I purchased, tried, and analyzed all kinds of systems and software that all claim to help you make money online. During that time, I spent a ton of money and hundreds of hours trying to figure out what worked and what didn't work. It was a super frustrating experience, and I don't want that for you. That's why I'm giving you access to this automated system today, so you don't have to go through the pain and frustration that I went through. So you can get set up and running immediately and start making money online today. Sound good? Listen, I've been helping people make money online for 10 years now, and I've seen all kinds of programs come and go. But this system that I'm giving you access to today is by far superior to anything else out there. When I first started my online business, you had to learn and become proficient in all these complicated technical tasks that took a really long time to master. It was actually really hard to make money online for free when I first started out, but that's all a thing of the past now. You don't need to know any of the complicated technical stuff to build a huge online business, especially if you use automation. This new system is totally automated. You simply go through the one-time push-button setup, and then you're all set to start making money online immediately. If you really want to know how you can make money online for free, then you've got to take a look at this new free system. What I really love about it is that anyone with average intelligence and the desire to succeed can be super successful and generate massive commissions. The system I'm giving you access to allows complete beginners to make their first online commissions without having to do any selling at all. I also really like the fact that it's all totally automated and you can earn passive income from multiple income sources. I constantly get questions from people. How do I do this? How do I do that? And the two most common questions I get are, how can I make money online without an investment? And how can you make money online fast? And when they ask me those questions, I always point them toward this new free system. And I do that for several reasons. Number one, it's totally automated. Number two, everything is done for you. Number three, there's no selling involved. Number four, you don't need any technical skills or experience. And number five, you can earn massive commissions on autopilot. Now, if you like what you've seen and heard in this video, would you do me a favor? Would you please share this video with your friends? Leave me comments letting me know what you liked. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below. And most importantly, visit the website on the screen right now to get access to your free automated system. So go to the website that you see on the screen right now to claim your free automated system and discover exactly how you can make money online for free with this amazing new system.